Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add Adobe Fonts to your Shopify store. Let's begin. First, open the Adobe Fonts website and log in with your Adobe account. Browse the fonts or search for the one you want to use on your Shopify store. Once you find the font, look for the option that says Add to Web Project or Create Web Project. Give it a name and Adobe will generate a code snippet for you. Copy the embed link that appears in the code. Next, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Online Store and then click Themes. You'll see your current live theme at the top. Click the Actions button next to it and then click Edit Code. Now in the Edit Code area, look for a file called theme.liquid under the Layout section. Click it to open it. Inside this file, scroll until you see the head section. Right before the closing head tag, paste the Adobe Fonts embed link you copied earlier. This is important because Shopify will load that font across your site. After pasting the code, click Save. Now the font is connected, but it won't apply automatically. You need to assign it using CSS. So, still inside the edit code section, find your style sheet. This could be named theme.css, theme.liquid.css, base.css, or sometimes styles.cs, depending on your theme. Open the file. At the top of the CSS file, or in the typography section, add a CSS rule like this: body, font family, your Adobe font name, sans serif. Make sure you replace your Adobe font name with the exact font name shown in your Adobe Fonts project. If you want to apply the font to headings, buttons, or navigation, you can create additional rules like H1, H2, H3, font family, your Adobe font name, sans serif. Once you add the rules you want, click Save. Finally, refresh your Shopify website in a new tab to see the changes. If the font doesn't show up immediately, clear your browser cache or check on another device, and that's it. You've successfully added Adobe Fonts to your Shopify store and applied them to your theme. Thank you for watching.